Ladies and gentlemen, Froot Loops straw. That's right. A straw made of Froot Loops. So we get melted white chocolate, put a Froot Loop on a skewer, right? And we using chocolate to stick Froot Loops together. Trust me, the Froot Loops Corporation had no idea we were about to do this one. Okay? And we just keep going. Chocolating and Froot Looping. Okay? See, those weren't even words before this. That's right. We changing the lexicon out there. Matt, was that correct? Lexicon? See that? Okay, I Googled that the other night. All right, beautiful. I thought it was someone's name first. Okay. Now we refrigerate that just to let it harden. Put some ice in, and we're using 3 olives loopy because it's like a Froot Loops vodka. I don't know how they probably had some deal with Froot Loops. Come behind it with some white chocolate liqueur, some milk, and then we shake, okay? Shake, 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 shake. That's our drink. Beautiful, okay? And now we stick our straw in, and trust me, the straw works, okay? And then you can eat it afterwards. That way, no turtles are harmed. We're saving the environment right here on Tipsy Bartender.